Let's talk about automation of SQLi with WAF bypassed. We'll do this from SQL map commands. So what you have to do basically, see this, the WAF bypassed with SQL maps. Very simple command. SQL map.py. If you get based, you can give URL space hyphen batch space hyphen banner, and you just have to include hyphen tamper there. Okay, tamper is a script that will use, like, if they will have a mod security, so you can give this mod security versioned space hyphen table, whatever. So let's try this on the live website. See this. So multan.geo.pk, I have to find a parameter there. So I'm giving a backslash, it's giving me any error. Yeah, error. I'll give single quote minus plus. It's fixing. Now let's right click, try order by. Let's try 8. So 8 is not there. I'll try 7. 7 is there. Now I'll try union. Select 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there is a not acceptable, and it's generated by mod security. See this is a firewall, mod security firewall. If I have to bypass through SQL map, so I'll just copy this vulnerable URL 50. Yes, let's copy this. I'll build a command like this: python sql map.py -u. I'll give a URL there, and I will give a star there because SQL map will attack there. Now I'll give her hyphen batch hyphen banner and hyphen tamper. So tamper will load onto this. So mod security version, mod security, because this is the firewall that exists, this domain, mod security version. Okay, that's it. So I'll just copy this. Now open this. Now let's just paste there and just wait for a few seconds. So see, so hyphen tamper can load not only the mod security. There is a many tamper scripts. See, these are the tamper script you have to look for. See this, desktop tamper. You can include anyone. See, I included mod security because mod security was there. Okay, mod security is there. Yes, that's why I included that. You can try space to comment also, sp passwords. So you can try any of the, see, the comment before parentheses. You can also try this character encoding, base 64 encoding. So these are the tamper scripts you have to load. Okay, so I have to wait, and this will give me the database banner details. Okay, see this is giving banner details or not. Let's just wait. Okay, so it's unable to connect to the target URL. So you can try there the advanced query also. So because this is there, the connection is going to be lost if you will trying for the firewall bypassing. So you can use this command. Which command? This command. See this, the level 5 risk 3 keep alive fresh queries random agent batch banner. So if you will try this, let's try this there. So you can just include anywhere, level equal to 5 hyphen risk equal to 3 hyphen keep dash alive hyphen fresh dash queries hyphen random dash agent hyphen technique. So technique will having something like the BEUS. Either you can try for blind based, you can try for error based, you can try for union based. So I'm trying for union based only. Okay, so let's try this now. So this way you have to try for SQL map. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. After this we will see on the live websites. Okay, the hunting SQLi for live websites. I'll pick the few good websites and the few local websites, the Indian websites. Okay, I hope you won't mind. You can try on any website. This is a very serious vulnerability, so I cannot try on the real world live websites on live. They say they will they will file a case against me if I will show the live hunting. One, okay, so I'll report, okay, the few websites after this video shoot, so you cannot misuse that vulnerability. So it may take time. Okay, it may take time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, so I won't make too much. So I think, okay, yes, it's confirming. See this, just wait. See, you got the banner details. See this, the banner details. Now you can try their hyphen dbs for database. See, the database is this. So you know the other steps I won't tell you. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session. Okay.